Simple machines.
What are they? Simple machines are basic tools
we use to make our jobs easier.
There are 6 types of simple machines: the lever,
The incline plane, the wedge,
the screw, the wheel and axle,
and the pulley.
Humans have been using simple machines forever.
Number 2, the incline plane.
Incline planes are very simple. Sometimes people call them slides.
Other times people call them ramps. No matter what you call them,
They make extremely useful tools.
incline planes are easy to make.
Just take any firm, flat surface,
Tilt it at a diagonal angle.
and booyaka! You got yourself a slide.
Or ramp.
Ramps are normally used to bring objects up to a higher plane.
The slope of the ramp.
Lessens the force you need to push something. In other words,
Ramps make heavy things seem lighter.
and easier to move. A slide looks just like a ramp, but it serves the opposite purpose. Slides are used to easily and quickly transport something from a high point to a low point. Another way slides are used is to add acceleration to an object's movement.
Using the force of gravity.
Incline planes are everywhere.
Moving trucks,
Handicap ramps,
playground slides,
highway on and off ramps,
roller coasters,
escalators, staircases.
even mountain slopes.
They definitely make life easier.
And fun.
Yeah! Be sure to subscribe, like, comment. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and share.
And slide the like button.
Stay tuned. Peace. And oops. And
Hulk back! Hulk smash, beauty human!
You have failed me for the last time. Don't fail me again.
Yes? Yes, Jedi strength flows from the Force. Feel the Force around you.
And slide the like button.